In this problem, we'll factor a polynomial. We'll factor 49x squared minus 84x plus 36. The first thing I need to do is check to see if there are any common factors. And these are larger numbers, but 49 is 7 times 7, and there are no factors of 7 in 36 I can see, so there can't be any common factors for all three terms. There are three terms, so I want to look to see if it is a perfect square trinomial. If it is a perfect square trinomial, I will have two terms that are squares, and I can see that 49x squared is 7x squared. 36 is also a square. It's 6 squared. Now my middle term needs to be twice 7x times 6, or its opposite. In this case, it would be negative. 2 times 7 times 6 times x is 84x. So I do have minus 2 times 7x times 6 as my middle term. I do have a perfect square trinomial. Once I have that, I can factor directly and write this as 7x, the minus sign, and then the 6, and that binomial is squared.